Hello everyone, I am happy to announce that Edumilestones has launched India's first Career Boosters program for students, graduates and professionals. Now all these Career Booster programs are available in your web pages, whatever web pages Edumilestones has given, in all your web pages these programs are available. Now in this video I am going to cover what are these Career Boosters program, how these programs will benefit to the students and how career counselors are going to get benefit out of these kind of programs. So I'm receiving lot many queries related to the career boosters. So in this video I'm going to give all the answers related with career boosters. So let's start. So first, what are these career boosters? These career boosters are the industry leading skill development programs especially designed for school-going students, graduates and professionals. Many times, once we provide the career counseling, we receive lot many queries on the skill development side, or students want to do some virtual internships where they get the real-time experience what this career all about. Now what Edumilestones has done, we have done tie-up with the industry leading companies who are offering such programs like Whitehead Junior, Immerse, Manipal Pro Learn and lot many companies we have done the tie-up, and we have brought the best programs available in the market, and these programs are now integrated with your website. Now it's very simple. If any student is interested for these programs, they can visit to your site, can show the interest, can straight away directed to the vendor side, bought these kind of programs, and all the career counselors are going to get benefit out of promoting these programs. So now I am going to start the demonstration how these programs are represented in your web page, where you can find the leads, those people who have shown the interest of this program, where you can track your payouts, how much payouts you are going to get. That I am going to show you through the demo. Let's start the demo. So if you look at, this is a web page or a microsite that we have given to all the career counselors. Now you can find a new addition in this web page that is called the career boosters. So you can see the tab over here, career boosters. So all the career boosters are linked over here, or if I scroll down on this page, then at the last of this page you can find one more section, career boosters. Now here you can find listing of 3 career boosters, and if you want to explore all the career boosters, the student can click explore all, and this will take to the listing. Again, throughout this page it will disclose, or it will display your logo over here. Now these are the various booster programs that we have listed down over here. Say for example, any student who comes to your site and looking for some kind of an internship program before opting for a specific career path, then you can find over here virtual internship program for school students. The student can click on this one, and we are having more than 16 different types of virtual internships that's listed down in this page, like virtual internship in hospitality, law, filmmaking, dentistry, architecture, fund management. In a similar way, different type of internships are available. Now based on the career path, the student can select, say for example, I am looking for internship in law. I'll click on start now, and this will take me to virtual internship in law page. Now on this page all the information is captured. You can find who is the mentor, program content, all the information is available over here, and certificate copy. Once they complete their program, they will also get certification. So a student can click on start now, and after that this will take to the payment gateway, where for every internship there's some amount is mentioned. It starts with 1,999 for every internship. Okay, so a student can opt for this. In a similar way, there are different type of programs are available. If you're finding a student want to learn about coding, and I'm sure you all must have heard about Whitehead Junior. So again, we have done integration with Whitehead Junior. A student can come over here, can show the interested,
and it will ask the phone number of the student. Say I'm writing my number over here. Okay, continue, and then fill the details and then click on the confirm. Now once student do this thing, then the team of Whitehead Junior will call them, will give the entire details to this student, and if this business is closed, okay, then counselor will get the benefit as a referral payout that I'll show you after this thing. So in this way different programs are listed. This is for the coding, virtual internship I have already shown you. If a student is interested to learn the management skills, at the school level, like young or junior MBA program, like junior CEO, junior CMO, junior CTO. So again, student can click on this one where all the information is feeded. What is this program all about? Curriculum, the entire information is here. So if you're finding a student is planning to go for MBA or BBA or inclined towards the business or want to learn on business skills or want to develop business skills at the school level, he can certainly opt for this program. Again, the team of Clever Harvey will call them, will close that business for you, and you will get the referral payout. So these are some handpicked programs. In a similar way, if a student want to learn organic kitchen gardening, okay, so this program is available over here. Again, the entire information is feeded. The only thing is from your side, that's the mandatory, student need to click on the enroll, okay, and student need to fill the information, his basic details he need to fill over here. Why this thing is required? Then only we will identify this student belongs to you, and this will be considered under your referral payout. Okay, so make sure if any student is coming or interested for this program, the first thing is he need to show the interest and he need to click on the interested form, and once he do this interested form filling, through that only we are going to track it. So here all the program listings are available, and this is already integrated with your web page. Now I am coming on the second part, specifically in your CRM, where you can see how many students from your side have applied for the boosters. Okay, so when you open your CRM, you can find there is one segment called leads, right? So once you click on leads, then here you can see along with the other leads which student or how many students has applied for the booster or for which program he has applied. So once enrollment is done, that information will be automatically captured in your CRM. And if you wanted to see only the boosters, see how many boosters, then there's a drop down over here. Just select career boosters. It will give you immediately the picture how many students have applied for the booster. So these are the all students who has applied for the different boosters, and you can see over here which booster program they have registered. So immediately this student will be considered as a referral payout if he is going and making any kind of a purchase through your site, because this lead is captured under your CRM. Okay, now let me show you where you can track the payouts. Okay, so if any student is buying or is making the purchase of any of this booster program, in your CRM automatically one more button will come over here, one more box will come over here. You can see there's one box called boosters closer. Just click on this button. Here you can see also how many students have bought the booster. As of now, one student has bought the booster for this channel. Just click on this one, and here immediately you can see the detail which student has bought. So here you can see immediately this student has bought the booster, and immediately you can see also how much payment this student has made to that company. Okay, so immediately all this information you can see and which date he has made the purchase. So all this information you can see some of the programs, this status will be updated live. Say if a student is taking any virtual internship program, this will be updated live. But some of the boosters program, we receive the MIS from that vendor once in a week or once in 3 days. So once we are receiving that MIS, it will be updated. Okay, so if any student has bought any booster and is not reflecting over here, you need to wait for 3 to 4 days. Definitely it will start reflecting over here once he has made the purchase. But in the real time, as I have shown you before, you can see in the real time how many students has shown the interest. Okay, so that you will see in the real time. Now, how much payout you are going to get, when you are going to get this payout, and all these details again you can see in your CRM. Once I go back in your CRM, let me go back. Then if I scroll down, you can find there's one box, update design login page, right? Now, once I click on this tab, okay, I'm sure most of you are aware of this tab, because from this tab only you control the design of your web page. Now, left hand side in the menu bar, you can see one more option is added, Career Boosters Configuration. Now, once I click on this tab, immediately it will show me what are the career boosters that's available. So these are the all career boosters that's available in your platform, and front of that you can see the payout also. If you are promoting or if any student is making buy of any of this booster, how much payout you will get it. So straight away you can see that payout also, how much payout you are going to get it, right? So you know upfront how much payout you are going to get, and down the line I assure you industry leading products, industry leading courses, industry leading programs, whether this is a Badges or Manipal or lot many leading programs we are already in the talk will be integrated with your platform. Now here you can find some other configuration settings also apart from the payout. In your web page by default we show certain programs, but if you're interested to replace these boosters program and you want to showcase some other boosters program as a default in your web page, right, then you can select default. So what will happen immediately, whatever programs you are selecting over here, that will start displaying in your web page bottom as a default programs, and once a student click, anyhow student can see all the boosters. If you are not comfortable with certain boosters, or if you want to remove that boosters from your web page, then here we have given one more plug. You can see over here, you just say for example a Clever Harvey program or junior MBA program you don't want, just for an example in your web page, you can just make these switch towards the left side, make it off. So what will happen, this program will be removed from your listing, from the listing of your boosters program. Okay, by default all the programs, all the booster programs will be available in your page, but you have the option to remove certain boosters program from your page if you want to do so. And here you can see all the payouts, right? So as I have mentioned previously, you can track all the closers from your lead segment, how much closer is done. Okay, so if any closer is made, automatically you will receive one email also, and our team will contact you. This is a one-time exercise. Our team will contact you and we will take your bank account details where amount need to be credited. Say for example, a student is taking virtual internship kind of a program, and there is a payout available, good payout available for that program. Then immediately first status will be there, it's closed, and all these payout settlements we do every month on 3rd. So it means whatever payments or whatever products students are buying from your website, okay, for a given month, all the settlement will be done by 3rd, and there's a dedicated team. So I'm sure you are in touch with our operations team. So our operations team will contact you. They will take your bank account details, and this is a one time you need to share with us, where every month we need to transfer the payouts to you, and this payout will be directly transferred to your account by the 3rd of every month, whatever purchase is made. Okay, so in this way, our attempt is not to limit this platform for the career counseling, but to provide you complete solutions under your platform, right? So that this will help students and the professionals in their complete education and career life cycle, and much more solutions can be offered to the student, whether it's a skill development program, whether this is there's a virtual internship student is looking for. So lot many programs student can opt for it, and this will definitely increase your revenue in multiple folds, and this will make this platform as a complete holistic complete platform for you. Okay, so that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Okay, so all these programs are available. For those this program is not displaying, or these programs are not displaying in your web page, you can send a mail to operations@edumilestones.com. We will enable all these programs, but by default we have already configured these programs in all your web pages. But anytime you can contact to either Shiju or to operations@edumilestones.com. We will handle all your queries and we will support you on this part. Okay, so I'm Ankit Agarwal, and now is the time to sign up. Thank you.